Would you like to see inside a KidArtLit box? This is one of my favorite subscription boxes. My family has had quite a few of them, and they come to you like this. And when you open them up inside, you are greeted by the little yellow bird. So let's take a peek and see what's inside this box. So KidArtLit always comes with a beautiful hardcover book. So as I said, we've gotten several of them, and we have yet to get a duplicate book of a book that we already own. And you know me, I love books, and we have lots of them. So that's kind of a hard thing to do. So when you open the box, look at all of the goodies. So you get a hardcover book, and then you get some process art activities. And I love this because everybody's is going to look a little bit different because it's more about the process than everything cut out for you and making a craft or something like that. So I'm showing you inside one of the deluxe boxes. And so as soon as you get that, you get a little note, and it shows you everything that's inside the box. So you get the hardcover book, and in this case, it is the book called The Golden Glow. And again, I'm excited because we don't have this book. And I'm always impressed with the quality of books that they choose. They always choose visually stunning books. Okay, then you also get a Ready, Set, Go pack. And it's easily labeled. Here you go, a Ready, Set, Go pack. This is something that you can do right out of the box because we know kids, when they get mail, they want to open it up and then they want to jump right in and do it. And so it automatically comes with everything that you need to do a little introductory activity. And this one, they're going to do a botanical image transfer. And it looks like on these little wood pieces, and you can see, let's look in here, let me open it up. There's little tattoos that they're going to use to put on, to transfer onto their little wood pieces. And like I said, aren't those so cute? All of the resources are in there. So everything that you're going to need to do this little transfer activity are right there. All right. So then you get to that off to the side. Then you can enjoy reading the book, and then you're going to do the deluxe process art project. And in this case, they are making, this time, paper mache sunset luminaries. And you have all of the materials that you need for that right inside of your deluxe art kit here. Everything you need, so you don't have to go get anything else to be able to do this activity. And it correlates with the book. And then how cool is that? They're going to make some paper mache sunset luminaries. Pretty awesome. And it even comes with the little battery tea lights that you're going to need, the balloons, the glue, everything. And then you also get a little card, a little note from the author of the story. So cool. So this is the deluxe set. These are the sets that we have enjoyed numerous times. I can't say enough about them. They are by far one of my favorite book subscription boxes. They also have a Spark box, which is a little bit pared down size. And now there are also digital subscriptions that you can get too, which is kind of cool. So they start at $39.95 and go up depending on your box size that you're interested in. So be sure to check those out.